Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you delete your Discord messages in PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now you just simply have to open Discord in order to do that. And after opening Discord, just simply go to any of your servers or chats where you would like to delete the messages, such as I want to delete this GIF format message, and in order to delete that you just simply have to right click and then you will directly get this option of delete messages. Tap to delete messages and then tap to delete again in order to confirm. And after doing this very easy steps, in few clicks your message will successfully be deleted. I hope this video was very informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.